schedule of these 5 municipal councils. The election program for 5 municipal councils is as under. Receipt of nomination. Except on 2nd April 2021 being public holiday and 4th April being Sunday, the date is 31st March 2021, that is Wednesday, to 8th April 2021. The timings are 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay. The scrutiny of nomination will be 9th April 2021. The timings are 10 a.m. onwards. Withdrawal of candidates is on 10th April 2021. The timing is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. List of candidates 10th April after 3 p.m. The date of poll for 5 municipal council is 23rd April 2021, which is Friday. Timings are 8 to 5 p.m. Date of counting of votes is 26th April 2021, which is Monday, 8 a.m. onwards. I once again mentioned that poll timings are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and for COVID positive patients, it will be entitled to cast their vote in the last hour of the poll, that is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. The model code of conduct will come into effect from this moment only in the areas under the jurisdiction of respective municipal councils. Commission has issued SOP guidelines for COVID-19 precautions in order to conduct the said elections, the above elections. Now I will announce the by-election to the Ward number 2, Village Panchayat Tarapur, Savan, and Ward number 4 of Village Panchayat Veli. In this regard, Director Panchayat has issued election notification dated 28/3/21 in Form 1, notifying the date of by-election to Ward number 2 of Village Panchayat Tarapur, Savan, and Ward number 4 of Village Panchayat Velim on 23rd April. The by-election to the Ward number 2 Village Panchayat Savan and Ward number 4 of Village Panchayat Velim will be held along with the general election of municipal councils. For this, Commission adopted Electoral Laws of Goa Legislative Assembly prepared under the provisions of Representative Act 1950 for the time being in force on 1st January 2021 for preparing ward-wise voter list, and same were displayed in the office of respective returning officers. The voter lists are displayed in the designated places from 25/3 onwards. 2021. Now I will announce the schedule of election program for this by-election. Receipt of nomination. As I said, except 2nd April and 4th April being holidays, the dates the receipt of nomination commences from 31st March 2021 to 8th April 2021. The timing is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The scrutiny of nomination will be 9th April 2021, 10 a.m. onwards. Withdrawal of candidature is 10th April, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The list of candidates will be 10th April after 3 p.m. The date of poll for these 2 Panchayat wards by election is 23rd April 2021 from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Date of counting of votes for these elections are 26th April, 8 a.m. onwards. I once again mention you that the polling timings are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. For the COVID patients, will be entitled to cast their vote in the last hour of the poll, that is 4 to 5 p.m. The model code of conduct shall come into effect from this moment only in the areas under the jurisdiction of respective village panchayat wards. Commission has issued SOP guidelines for COVID-19 precautions in order to conduct the said elections.